Hey guys, Tech Mentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and use the flashlight on the latest iOS version, and a couple things you can do if flashlight isn't working for you. So most iPhone nowadays has that flashlight feature that you can use. By default, in order to use it, all you do is either you can do it from the lock screen. If you click on the lock screen, tap on it, right? There's the icon to use flashlight. If you press and hold, there's an indicator up top that will show you the flashlight is turned on. And to turn it off, we can just simply click on it. It will turn it off. Now, let's say you're on your phone using the phone and you want to use the flashlight. All you do is pull down the control center here, or pull it up if you have a home button iPhone. We're going to do open up the control center, click on that, and the flashlight will turn on. Now, another thing is if you press and hold, right, you can adjust the level of brightness for your flashlight just like that. As you can see here, this is low, and if I just toggle it, it will get brighter as well. So go ahead and try that out. You just have to press and hold for that menu to activate. Now let's say maybe the flashlight isn't there or showing up. First thing is you want to make sure your phone battery is at least 20% or more. When it's under 20%, the phone wants to save battery, so things like flashlight might be grayed out and you can't use it. Another thing to check in your setting of your iPhone is for control center here in the setting, ensure that you have flashlight as a control. Let's say if we remove that, right, and we try to bring the control center, we won't see that icon. So we need to ensure that that's added by clicking on that plus icon, and it will be here. And then you can also adjust the order of it just by moving it around just like that as well. And another thing you also want to check out is if you have a screen time turned on in your setting, you want to go ahead and ensure that under content and privacy restriction, right, there is no restriction for the flashlight feature. So we can look at that. We can turn off restriction just like that and go ahead and try. If there's a restriction going on, right, it will not work correctly. So we need to turn off restriction and then pull down and verify you have flashlight just like that. And that's how you turn on and use flashlight on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please do consider that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.